Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. Today our topic is write the numbers in figures. Today we will learn that how can we write these words into numbers. This is 8 million. So how can we write this in numbers, in figures? This is the column of millions. We will put 8 in the million column and then we will put zeros in the rest of the columns. This is 8 million. Another example, how can we write 9 million? We will put 9 in the million column and in the rest of the columns we will put zeros. This is 9 million. This is 39 million. So how can we write this number into figures? We will write, this is a 10 million column. So we will write 39 and in the rest of the columns we will put zeros. This is 39 million. Another example, how can we write 40 million in numbers? We will write 40 in the 10 million column. This is 40 and in the rest of the columns we will write 0. This is 40 million. The other is 262 million. How can we write this in figures? We will write 262 million in figures like 200. This is the column of 100 million. So we will write 2 in the 100 million column. 262 million. This is 262 million. The other example, how can we write 300 million in figures? We will write 300 in the 100 million column. We will write 3 in the 100 million column and then we will put zeros in the rest of the columns. This is 300 million. Copy the rest of the questions in your notebook and solve them as activity 1. This is your home activity. Copy these questions in your notebook and solve them. Write in figures 9 million, 24 million, 705 million, 10 million 900, 1,256,901, 82,526. Thank you students. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.